who were the lawyers in the Roman justice system. Imagine standing in a Roman courtroom hundreds of years ago, where words and persuasion held the power to decide someone's fate. In those days, there were no lawyers like we know today. So, who actually spoke for people in court? Let's find out. In ancient Rome, the legal world was quite different from modern times. There were no professional lawyers earning a living by representing clients. Instead, legal representation was given by individuals called advocates or orators. These were usually educated citizens who knew a lot about law and how to speak well. They were not licensed professionals but respected members of society. Most advocates were wealthy citizens, senators, or magistrates who studied law and rhetoric. Their main job was to speak on behalf of someone in court, argue their case, and interpret the law. They did not charge money for their services because taking payment was seen as improper for much of Roman history. Their skill was in persuasion, not in legal technicalities. Roman advocates needed to be excellent speakers. They prepared speeches carefully, often citing legal rules, past decisions, or principles from Roman law. Their goal was to convince judges or juries that their client was right. The art of persuasion was key to winning cases in the Roman justice system. Alongside advocates, a group of legal scholars called jurists emerged. Jurists were not advocates but experts who studied and explained Roman law. They wrote commentaries, gave advice to magistrates, and helped develop the legal system. Their opinions were highly respected and often cited in court, but they did not representing clients directly. Magistrates such as praetors played a big role in Roman law. They presided over trials, issued legal rules called edicts, and sometimes acted as judges. In criminal cases, quaestors investigated crimes and prepared cases for court. Judges, called iudices, were private citizens chosen for their reputation and knowledge. They listened to advocates and decided the outcome of cases. So, in summary, the Roman justice system did not have lawyers like today. Instead, legal representation was provided by skilled speakers called advocates, and legal experts called jurists helped interpret the law. The system relied heavily on rhetoric, legal knowledge, and the authority of magistrates and judges to deliver justice.